Lots of rot on this side. There's a timber up here sticking out, so perpendicular to the wall. That end is the flush line, which if it carried over here, means there's about 2 feet in the deepest section up here that's rotted away. Light scaling and pocking on the ceiling or on the bottom of the plug. The drainage, you can see probably about 8 feet up. There's it looks like collected solidified muck, similar to other ones. This wall here has the same sort of issue where we're seeing the rot, but there's some other reasons that could contribute to that. For the most part, though, the concrete on this side is significantly better. One of those reasons might be that hole up here. And I don't know. Guess that's that.